So, I wonder if you can guess what month it is. This is July. For goodness sake, I'm here with a thick coat on, a fleece. I'm even wearing gloves. It's freezing and it's July. To be perfectly honest, I've had enough of this. I need some sun, I need some warmth. We had some fantastic weather a few months back, but now it just seems to be freezing all the time and grey and miserable. Something needs to change. I think what we need to do, what I need to do, is to dream a bit. To dream of getting away, to dream of places that I would like to be. Now don't get me wrong, I love being here. I love North Yorkshire. What a beautiful, fantastic place to be. But sometimes we need to dream of somewhere else. Somewhere where the sun's shining. Somewhere where I don't have to wear gloves in July. Don't know if you remember back in the spring, back around May Day, I filmed the little lambs around here. Well, even they've gone. It's that miserable. Do you think they've gone on holiday? Oh, probably not. I think I know where they've gone. Tell you what though, they've left a right mess behind them. Okay, over here. I think they'd clear up after themselves, wouldn't you? So I think it's all important that at times we realise that things won't stay the same forever. We won't always be stuck here. We will be able to get away. And a really important thing to do to get our brains sort of happy, not stuck in the doldrums, not down, is to dream and to plan. And one of the ways I like to do that in my sad little existence in my camper van is to look at all the maps I've got of places I've been and places that I'd like to go back to, places that I'd like to go. And by looking at those things and planning and thinking, remembering places I've been and places I'd love to go back, it does us a power of good. So, why not get planning? Why not think about things that you'd like to do, places you'd like to go when this is all over? Because it will be over. It's already starting to get better. Yeah, because things do change, things pass. In the great scheme of things, this awful period we've been through is so tiny. If you look at these cliffs here, layers and layers and layers of time. We know that those fossils in there are millions of years old. So this little time that we've gone through, that will pass, it's just a tiny little bit of time, and we'll get through it. It's always a good idea to have your eyes open, because here I am walking along Runswick Bay Beach thinking about my assembly and the idea of flying away, letting your dreams take you somewhere, and then we suddenly find a stone which I've never seen before, that somebody has carved in beautifully here. DWV, I don't know who that is, and Volare, which is simply Italian for fly. That's what we all need to do, I think, in our fantasies at the moment, just fly away. And in the meantime, let's just be grateful that we live in this such an amazing place, which we can come to every day. But that shouldn't stop us dreaming of other places we'd like to go and places we'd like to be. I'm off now. See ya.